viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So today we are going to add new blockchain in our Metamask wallet. That's name is TomoChain. TomoChain is not a new chain, but we are going to discuss first time. So we are going to add in our Metamask wallet. So if you need to save your Tomo token for a long time, so you must watch this video channel. This video is going to be very informative for you. And if you want to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to first of all open CoinMarketCap and we will discuss some about this token or blockchain. And this time Bitcoin price is almost $47,000 near to, and I think in top 100 TomoChain token is not available, so that we are going to directly search in search bar TomoChain. As you can see here, TomoChain is open front of me. Open the new page, and this time price is TomoChain 1.72, and the rank is 330 top cryptocurrencies. And we are going to discuss about price graph. So you can see here TomoChain launch almost 2018. That time price is 72 cent, and all-time low is almost 35 or 17 cent. Yes, 17 cent is all-time low, and all-time high is almost $4. And TomoChain was founded by Longwells, and this blockchain is work of stake of work. If you need to stake your token, so you can add this token in your Metamask wallet, and you can also trade this token in Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, and FTX. And if we are going to check the official website of TomoChain.com, so now the official website is open in front of me, and the efficient blockchain powered by the proof of stake voting. This blockchain is based on proof of stake voting. POS voting blockchain is mainnet with the product line focusing on real world using. And if you want to check the economy paper, so you can click on it here. Then the new page open in front of you. And the TomoChain blockchain and product ecosystem enable development of high performance blockchain projects, and privacy enable transactions, scalable fast blockchain in mainnet, pay fee with any tokens, launch a DX, security enhancement, and build on TomoChain. Many DApps built on TomoChain you can see here. Check from the list, and you can also see here the ecosystem. There's a big name is available: Newcoin, Chainlink, Anchor. So you can see here, and you can get the more information about TomoChain from this website. So we are going to add this chain on our Metamask wallet. First of all, we are going to log in our Metamask wallet, then we will add this token. I'm going to enter my password here. I've entered my password. Then the blockchain is going to open in front of me. Sorry, Metamask wallet going to open in front of me. If I'm going to click on expand view, then you can see here the Metamask wallet is open in front of me, and we have already added many tokens in the Ethereum mainnet and also Binance Smart Chain, but we are going to today only add new network. That name is TomoChain. So just simple click on this network area, click on add network, and after that we need to put here network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So I have already information in my notepad file, so that I'm just going to open my notepad file and copy simple from the notepad, network name, and paste here. Second, need to paste here the new RPC URL. New RPC URL is available here. You can just pause this video and write same information in your notepad file. After that, you just simple copy and paste there. Chain ID is 88. Currency symbol Tomo, and the last is block explorer URL. See, there is available block explorer URL, and paste here. I have put all information in this tab. Before going to click on save button, you must cross check you have entered correct information or not, otherwise your blockchain will be not properly work. Okay, click on save button. Now viewers, we have successfully new blockchain add in our Metamask wallet. That name is TomoChain. So before going to deposit any amount on this wallet, let's suppose you want to deposit Tomo token. You can see here the Tomo token, the price is $1.72. So you just simple click on this wallet, and now click on three dot, and there is available option is account details. Then you can see here the wallet address open in front of you. If you need to deposit on this wallet, before going to send any amount, you must cross check you have selected correct network. That means you have select TomoChain network, because I have add this wallet on TomoChain. Okay, not add in BSC Smart Chain. If you need to deposit on BSC Smart Chain, so first of all you add this token on Binance Smart Chain, then you can do this. And how can you export the private key? Simple click on it, simple enter your password here, and click on confirm button. Now as you can see here, the private key is shown in front of me, and I will save this private key in multiple places, because when I want to recover, restore, import my wallet, then this private key will be helpful for me. So you must save this private key in safe place, and if you share this private key to with anyone, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so keep in your mind, don't share your private key with anyone, and make the multiple copy of this private key, like in notepad file, write in your personal diary. So I hope viewers, you have easily add in new blockchain in Metamask wallet. That name is TomoChain. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets, and you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.